value is going to be 70. The calculation have gone wrong here. You are going to multiply with your V1 value is 380. So you are getting as 380 into T2 value is 273, then divided by you are getting the value for P2 as your P2 value is 76. So write 76 into, and T1 temperature is 300. So now you can just see this 0 gets cancelled. This in 3 tables 10, 91, and now this goes 2 times, right? So now we cannot cancel it further, or you can write it as here as 3. You can write it here as 7 times. So 7 ones are 7. Here 7 nines are 63. 63 divided by 2. So what is the value which you are going to get it here is, it's 3 something that 31. Is it 31? You are going to get it is, divide it and check it, is 31 value. Calculation which I have done earlier is right only, I think so. It's divided by 2. So 637 divided by 2, you will be getting it as, so you can roughly tell me the answer as 3. 2 3s are 6 3 times, and 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. That is, I am getting as 8, then 5. So I am getting 318.5 liters, I think so. Initial volume was taken as 380, but the final volume is considered as 318.5. So the calculation which I have done earlier is correct only. The same calculation you will be getting it. Now coming to the fourth problem, that is fifth one. Calculate the final volume of a gas X if the pressure of the gas originally at STP is double and its temperature is made 3 times. So now the initial volume is going to be taken as X. We don't, because here whatever they have given the data here, you have to calculate the final volume. So temperature value, pressure value, nothing they have given. So volume also they didn't give. So we will consider it as X. Let we keep it as X, and pressure value, your initial value is going to be, we are taking as a standard 1 atmospheric pressure, and P2 value is, they have given here the pressure originally at STP is double. So you are multiplying by 2 atmos. And its temperature is made 3 times means, so temperature T2 equal to, that is 3 into T1. So now V2 we have to calculate, make use of the gas equation, P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. So V2 equal to P1 V1, this you cross multiply T2, and you are calculating V2, bring this T1 here, so divided by P2 T1. Now substitute all the values whatever we got it. P1 we have taken as 1 atmos, so write it as 1, and volume we have taken it as X, write it as X. T2 value is taken as 3T1, write it as 3T1, divided by your P2 value is taken as 2, write it 2, and temperature T1 is considered as T1. So what I am going to do is cancel this T1 and T1. You are going to get the answer as 3x by 2. That means it is 1.5 times. So your final volume of the gas, it is going to be 1.5 times than its original volume. So your V2 volume, it's going to be 1.5 times than its original volume. Than its original volume, that is V1. I think you understood this problem. So different types of problems we have seen there in the gas equation itself, and I have given some assignment work, 3 problems. It will be put up in the description box or assignment column along with the video. You can just watch that. You can do it, work it out, and we will discuss in the Google Meet session.